Siraj stuck for India in the power play to get rid of Safiq. After the departure of Imamul Haq, Babar Azam looked in good touch for Pakistan. Babar and Rizwan added 82 for the third wicket to give Pakistan then control. Siraj then castled Babar immediately after he went past 50 to trigger a collapse. Kuldeep struck twice in an over to add to Pakistan's woes. The lower order didn't resist either as Pakistan were bowled out for just 191. Shaheen removed Gill early in the innings. Rohit Sharma took on the Pakistan attack to put India on top in the power play. Rohit's 63 ball 86 made India favourites. After Rohit's departure, KL and Shreyas got the job done for India.